Alright, so we're there. This is the vlog. You see me? In front of the scenes. Right now we're there up Stony Hill. There's the ring right there. Trying to get a shot of the ring. Right now we're getting the shoes. Over there I got the dress right now.
Here, and you have to put it right on the floor and then you just hold this. You have it? So, the button will be correct, or set you. Oh, good. Tap on the jacket. Stop. Okay. Kurt, where you guessing that?
Just around the business.
Alright.
Look in the kiss, look in the kiss.
Hold on. 3, 2, 1, go ahead.
Do I do this again?
Go ahead.
What's it?
Hey.
Nice. Yeah. And now go.
Got time to allow?
Go ahead, work on that. 3, 2, 1.
There, there is him. Guys,
Oh,
up
the
there.
guys are hard. Alright, come do it.
Wait. Do the both guys. So you go ahead.
Standing there right away.
Yes. Call it your turn.
Ready?
3, 2, 1. Keep coming. Keep coming.
Wow.
Alright.
And stop and pause. Stop, pause. Push it down. Perfect. I don't know how to do it.
So we're there on the vlog same way. Before we were up at the house getting the prep, all of the preps, the cutaways of the rings and the bride getting ready, groom getting ready and stuff. Right now we're there at the venue. So what you do now, D?
Get the area.
I get some shots of the area.
Yeah, man. Of the aisle.
Yeah, people. They're up on the vlogs here. You see it? This wedding is up in Stony Hill. Right now we're waiting on the bride and the groom to arrive. So the guests are here already. Yeah, man.
Alright, so welcome to the behind the scenes. We're in action right now. We have did the bridal prep. Now we're at the ceremony. We're gonna do that by having 3 cameras set up. One on the focus on the bride, one on the groom, and one down the aisle. And today the customer requested live stream, so we are actually doing this. This is our setup right here, and the person who's controlling live stream. So if you need live stream, you can always contact us.
So you call a setup then, Ian?
Gimbal.
It's a gimbal setup.
Yeah, man, for smooth, smooth shots, because I'll be following the bride. So I just want to ensure that all the shots are very smooth and cinematic. So that's the purpose of the gimbal. And we're using an external battery pack to keep the gimbal stable.
Yeah, people. So you hear it from the horse's mouth. Jamaica's #1 videographer when it comes on to wedding. They're in DDMP. We're vlogging.